In this video, I will show you how to download and install Degoo in Windows 11. It is a storage software. If you want to download it and install it without any problem and error, watch this video till end. Firstly, you have to open Microsoft Store. In search bar, search Microsoft Store. After searching Microsoft Store in search bar, then press open. And here Microsoft Store will open. Then in search bar, search Degoo. Then press enter. After pressing enter, here you'll find Degoo Cloud. Click this option. When you click this option, here you'll find Degoo Cloud Get. Store and share your files and forever. For downloading it, simply click Get option. When you click Get option, our Degoo will be start for downloading, and then it will install. If you want to know more about Degoo, here you'll find a screenshot of Degoo. Description, rating and reviews, system requirement, additional information, and much more. You can see we have just downloaded Degoo Cloud. Now it's time to open it. When you click open, Degoo Cloud will be open. You have to click create desktop shortcut, then click allow. When you click this, here you can see Degoo Cloud logo. It means we have just downloaded and installed Degoo Cloud without any error. Now you can open it and use it. For using, you have to simply log in it, and after that you can use for your purpose. I hope this video helped you. If you have any query, ask in comment box.